What are the advantages of accounting? Recording. Human memory has a limited capacity to store every business transaction in mind. Therefore, the need of accounting is felt to record every transaction in different books of account. Accounting helps in keeping systematic and permanent record of business, which may refer from time to time. Helpful in tax assessment. In most of the cases, the business is required to pay income tax, value-added tax, and excise duty to government. The fixation of tax liability is done on the basis of account book, provided these are prepared according to the requirement of taxation law. Prevention of fraud. The maintenance of proper books of account prevent irregularities, misappropriation, fraud, and errors. A dishonest employee will hardly get opportunity to commit fraud in respect of cash and goods, etc. If the books are systematically maintained, business valuation. If the running business is to be sold or purchased, it is essential to ascertain the value of business. Accounting helps in calculation of this amount. Help in debt collection. When the goods are sold on credit, the accounts of the customer is opened in the books. Proper recording helps to know how much goods have been sold on credit to various customers, how much is the cash received from them, and finally how much is due from them. Helpful in planning and efficient management. Always plan for the future target with what will be the plan for production, purchase of goods, sales, marketing of goods, advertisement, acquisition of fixed asset, funds in the next accounting period. All this had to be planned in a systematic manner. Without adequate accounting data, it is not possible to make effective planning. Funds raising became easy. True and fair view of the state affair of the business helps the creditor to examine the books of business. If they are satisfied with the financial soundness of the business, they may sanction more loan for future needs. Evidence in the court. Accounting record can be used as evidence in the court to substantiate the claim of the business. Since every transaction in the books is supported by some documentary proof such as memo, voucher, bills receipt, etc., that is why court accept the accounts books as an evidence. Comparison. The result is disclosed by financial book may be compared with the result of another business. Similarly, the result of the previous year may be compared with the result of the next year. The comparison helps in identifying the weakness, strength of the business, a certain profit and loss, and finally position of the business. The profit and loss suffered by the business can be calculated if systematically books of business are maintained. Evaluating the performance of business from profitability point of view gives vital information to the user of